Good morning everyone. So Bernadette here, and today I've got a little practical storage hack. So basically I'm standing in my kitchen, and this property I renovated as an investment property, so I didn't actually intend to be living in it. And so I put an Ikea kitchen in, and the great thing about Ikea is that you can sort of add to it. So when we decided to move in, I thought I'm going to add some more storage to it because, we've got a lot of stuff. And so I put these cupboards in, but it was still sort of a bit tight. And at that point in time, I was a bit of a china collector. A bit weird, but yeah, that was me. And so I needed to have sort of extra stuff, a storage space. So what I did is I went back to Ikea, and these don't have to be Ikea cabinets. They just happen to be, because most of this stuff is built to standard sizes. So this is an 800 wide cupboard. So I went and got some 800 wide drawer inserts and basically just filled the cupboard up with drawers. So there you go. So basically that really ramps up the amount of stuff that you can put into the cupboard. Now, just a couple of things. So you've got to get the depth right. So these cupboards are really narrow. They're only 400 deep. So I had to make sure that I got drawer units that were only 400. They come in two sizes. I think it's 375 and 580 millimeters deep. Okay, I had to get the right width. And the other thing I had to do was change over these hinges, because you need hinges that swing really wide to allow the drawer to come out. Okay, so the downside of having drawers in your cupboards is that both doors have to be fully open. But for me, the downside, it's outweighed by the benefits of all that extra storage. But see, there are lots of applications that you can do with this. Like, I've got another quite narrow cupboard, and everything's at the front, and the stuff at the back you just can't get to. So I'm about to put a drawer into that so you can pull it out to see what's at the back. You can turn a normal cupboard into a pantry just by whacking in drawers. It's also got good applications in the bedroom, okay? So in another video, I will show you a couple of other things that we've done, sort of hacks that we've done with Ikea to make the storage more useful, okay? Okay, so that's my tip for today. If you've got an amazing Ikea tip, or flat pack tip, or any sort of renovating tip, I'd love to see it in the comments below. The great thing about renovating is that we're a very creative community, and sharing ideas is what keeps that creativity alive. So if you've got something that you'd like to share, I'd love to see it. And we'll see you in the next video.